Friends, this is a slab type problem, comes under module 1. Okay, composite slab is made of two materials, A and B layer. Okay, layer A is of 5 centimeter thickness and layer B is of 10 centimeter thickness. Okay, the outer surface of the A is maintained at 600 degrees Celsius and B is maintained at 30 degrees Celsius. The thermal conductivity of A and B varies with the temperature as follows: Ka is equals to 0.05 in the bracket 1 plus 0.008 T, and Kb is equals to 0.04 in the bracket 1 plus 0.00757 T. Okay, determine steady state heat flux through a composite slab. Okay, so here we have to find Q value. So the Ta is 600 degrees Celsius and Tb is 30 degree Celsius. Q we have to find. For that, Q formula is delta T divided by R, right? For a slab, R is L divided by Ka, right? So first we are finding Ka, right? So Ka is equals to, in the question, Ka is 0.05 in the bracket 1 plus 0.08 times of T, right? So Ka is equals to 0.05 in the bracket 1 plus 0.008 in the bracket average of two temperatures, that is T1 plus T2 divided by 2, right? So which is equals to 0.05 plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 in the bracket 600 plus T2. So Ka is equals to 0.17 into plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 T2. Similarly, for a Kb is 0.04 in the bracket 1 plus 0.00757 times T, right? So here T is the average of T2 and T3. So Kb becomes 0.04 in the bracket 1 plus 0.0075 in the bracket T2 plus T3 divided by 2. So which is equals to 0.04 plus 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 in the bracket T2 plus 30. So Kb is equals to 0.0445 plus 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 times T2. Okay, so equating both the values, okay, that is 600 minus T2 whole divided by 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 0.17 plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 times T2, which is equals to T2 minus 30 divided by 10 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 0.0445 plus 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 times T2. So here T2 you will get 496.85 degree Celsius. Okay, so substitute T2 value in Q formula, that is delta T divided by R. So 600 minus 496.85 divided by L is 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 0.17 in the bracket 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 496.85. So Q you will get 555.71 watts. So in the question they asked to find heat flux, right? So Q is equals to Q divided by A, that is 555.71 divided by area is 1, right? So heat flux is equals to 558.71 watt per meter square. Okay, and the next problem is a steam pipe of 220 diameter, outer diameter, is carrying a steam at 280 degrees Celsius. It is insulated with a material having a thermal conductivity K, which is equals to 0.06 in the bracket 1 plus 0.018 times T, where K is in watt per meter degree Celsius and T is in degree Celsius. If the insulation thickness is 50 and the temperature of the outer surface is 50 degrees Celsius, calculate heat flow per meter length of the pipe and the temperature at the mid thickness. Okay, so K is 0.06 in the bracket 1 plus 0.018 times T, and radius is given, that is R1 inner radius 110 and R2 is 110 plus 50, that is thickness, which is equals to 160 So T1 and T2, that is 280 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, so here we have to find temperature at the middle, that is Tm. Okay, so K is equals to 0.06 in the bracket 1 plus 0.018 into, here we have to take average, right? So T1 plus T2 divided by 2. So K is equals to 0.06 plus 0.027 plus 5.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 280. So K is equals to 0.087 plus 5.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 280. So you will get 0.2382 watt per meter degree Celsius. Okay. So Q is equals to, same as previous problem, we have to equate here, not equating, substituting the values in Q formula. So delta T divided by ln of R2 divided by R1 divided by 2 pi Km into L, right? So 280 minus 50 upon ln of 160 divided by 110 divided by 2 pi into 0.2382 into 1. So Q you will get 918 watt per meter. Okay. So second part of the problem is we have to find mid temperature at the mid thickness, right? That is Rm. So that is Rm is equals to R1 plus R2 divided by 2. You will get mid thickness, that is 160 plus 110 divided by 2. So 135 mm. Okay. So temperature distribution formula in the same page number. Okay. So Ti minus Tr divided by Ti minus T out, which is equals to ln of R divided by Ri divided by ln of R2 divided by R1, right? Page number 45. So Ti is 280 degrees Celsius. Here we have to find Tr. So divided by 280 minus 50, which is equals to ln of R is 135 divided by 110 upon ln of 160 divided by 110. So temperature at mid radius you will get 154.42 degree Celsius. Okay. Thank you.